Right, look what came in the mail. A package from none other than Antique Electronics Supply. So, yeah, let's get into it. We're gonna be doing that right there. Signal generator. So, I'll open it up and we can see. Alright, we got it open. So, this is gonna be going into 3 electronics. That green alarm clock, and then that wood radio phono over there, and then the signal generator. First, because it's just the most useful, I'm going to be doing the signal generator. Which is a 6C4 tube, which I believe generates the 400 hertz tone. So, let's get into this. There we go. Ooh, a new old stock tube. Radiotronic tube. Alright, well, let's open it up. See if I can do this one-handed. There we go. Yes, I will be keeping the box and everything. Let's see if it's actually a Zenith tube or if they're just using the box. It is a Zenith tube. See if there's a date code on there. I'd like to know when this is from. I don't know, probably from the 50s or 60s. Alright, well, let's put it in the signal generator, and let's try it out. Okay, so here's our old non-working 6C4. I only know that it's a 6C4 from the manual, because I cannot see anything on there. They're looking pretty identical. And look at how many hours this thing has on it. So let's put it back together and let's test out a few radios. Alright, it's all back together. Let's take a few radios and try them out. Alright, we're going to do the Emerson. And probably out of the chassis so I can adjust it. Good thing this mat is insulative. I believe that's a word, insulative. Alright, let's do it. Alright, everything I think is ready to go. I'll start that up. Now, we can start this one up. But I don't have an actual probe. So, okay, let's get it. Alright, well, we know that one works. So, looks like AM is B. Let's do right at 1. No, let's do 90. Because we know that that's like directly in the middle. Hello? Are you gonna do it? And we need to up the output. Yeah, I'm not too sure how to use this thing. We need to crank up the volume or something. See, now I hear something. Yeah, there's something there. Oh, it's that. Alright, let me try to figure this out. Aha, there we go. I had it on the wrong band. I think below 350 I think that around 340 is a bit off for the IF. Oh, there we go. So, I think that this is a 455, but it might also be a 465. So I gotta figure that out, especially since I don't have a schematic for this unit. So I might just do standard 455. Yeah, I guess I'll just do 455. Okay, here we go. It's gonna be like playing Operation. These are the cans that ground out to each other. Hold on, let me just get a round of tape across that metal part. My certified IF frequency checker. Alright, that one sounds good. Oh, this other one. Oh yeah, that one is off. This radio is from 1940. Oh yeah. That one was a bit off. What the heck? Is that capacitor bad or something? Or is it this? Should I just leave it like that? It's definitely something that it's picking up, so maybe that means... Hey, let me move that aside. That's not what we want. So, note to self, do not have it like that. Okay, so I guess we will not leave it like that. Let me just recheck all these ones in case I majorly set anything off by moving the dial. I'll just set it to where 400 hertz is loudest. Sorry, the camera went kind of down there. That's looking good, so why don't we turn off the signal generator and see how she performs. I'm glad that one works. That doesn't sound good. Maybe that is a good thing. This speaker's rattling. See that blue tape? Yeah, that's because it's cracked. Okay, so if this isn't a good thing, just please comment and then I'll fix it. Alright? That it does this. Because remember, this is my first time doing this. So. Of course I'm gonna suck at it. So yeah, learning experience for me. Thank you for watching.